let's proceed. Question number 1. Give 3 major scientific and technological developments in the world or in the Philippines that created a large impact on your daily life. So, it meaning, no, meron pong 3 major scientific and technological kung bakit na nagagawa po ito na iba't ibang paraan para makagamit po ng technology. Like for example, our cell phones and computers and TV. Kasi ito, because from our technology, nakakatulong ito para to solve any problem. Like for example, itong cellphone. Cellphone is the many purposes in our school purposes, work purposes, business purposes. That importance to our contact, our admin, and to pass the any outputs and the requirements of our school that it requires to enroll school, and social media that connects our communicate with another, and like for the Google is the sample of our social media that used for searching any information that gives us important of our happen in our Philippines. And computer is the common major technology to gives life, dahil ito ay sa science meron din na computer para magamit siya into the scientific method for our scientific ideas. Like for example, yung mga bacteria ng tao ay saan ba siya na-create? Una sa Microsoft, no? So sa Microsoft po siya then nung na-compute na kailangan ng kayong computer para doon makita yung kung ano yung nga ba yung nangyari doon sa bacteria na yon. That represents our importance of technology that used to grow any society. Computer is hindi lang na pang scientific yung computer. Is all about many ways, like that research, like the research school purposes, narrative report purposes that used to easy, hard to get, or hard to make outputs in our daily life sa mga estudyante na kailangan talaga na may computer para lalo na laptop is the commonly na the scientific and technological developments that create the large impact. The laptop is pwede siyang dalhin sa school for our research purposes. Like for example, thesis. Kasi ang common thesis is kailangan talaga ng computer. Because paano naman ito mare-revise kung wala laptop? No? Kaya talaga may dala talaga ng sariling laptop ng mga kabataan para in case na magamit sa school, for our school purposes na kailangan talaga ng technology. Kasi anin mo yung laptop kung wala wifi. So kailangan talaga ng internet para makapag-search, para mapadali yung pag-search ng information, hindi lang basta kopya. Kailangan may ma-revise or kailangan may maisip na or to gain the knowledge of how to use the laptop or for the research purposes. Number 2, question. What historical antecedents gave rise to the inventions you mentioned in the first question? The historical antecedents that represents our modern. Kakaiba yung mga modern po, like for 21st. Until ngayon, dati, ang ginagamit sa mga phone is telephone. Today, that ang ginagamit po ngayon na is totally gadget. Dati pindutan lang po ito kasi para panlaro, to communicate, to call. Ngayon naman is nagagawa na is siya ng gadget. Like itong touchscreen na to. Kasi mas importante ito to para maka-create ng kakaiba, like for the internet purposes, kasi kailangan talaga for searching, for communicating, to chatting, and anyone, no? Laptop and computers are same in the modern antecedents because laptop and computers are same for purposes to searching, to our thesis purposes, our research purposes, our narrative report purposes that used in our OGTs and our major subject na to pass it, no? To pass any outputs, activities that give platforms from our G drive to pass the outputs para mag-readan. Kaya kailangan talaga ng gadget para mapadali ang paggawa. Kasi kung walang tablet, kung walang cellphone, kung walang laptop, kung walang computer, hindi mapapadali ang pagpasa. Like yung sa mga elementary days. Elementary days as called in our elementary days na ang ginagamit ko noon is papel. Sinusulat ko lang yung mga sagot. Today, kakaiba na po yung technology po ngayon. Like the computer and laptop na nagagamit. During pandemic, na ginagamit po yun para makapag-revise ng mga thesis, para magawa yung mga paraan, mga outputs, may sense sa mga platforms. Sakaling pandemic, wala pong magagamit na laptop kasi mahirapan ng mga mag-aaral na gumamit ng mga gadget dahil ito yung nangangailangan talaga sa pag-aaral, like sa work, like sa business purposes na need po to our society. So, the third question is, how did the development in science and technology shape human history? So, for me, the science and technology developments for our shaping between the human history, like for example, na wala mapapakinabangan, no? For the word, wala mapapakinabangan na gadget, hindi mapapadali ang buhay ko, wala mapapakinabangan. Kaya, because nabanggit ko po itong tatlong gadget na importante sa mga tao. Kasi hindi lang po ito na pang mga school purposes, business purposes, and work purposes. Kasama na rin po dito yung science purposes para ma-check kung ano nga ba yung nagiging dahilan ng sakit ng tao or paano malaman yung pagdami ng bakterya. Kasama po siya sa part ng technology. Kaya it helps technology develops our shape in the human history para makatulong sa ekonomiya, para makatulong ito sa bayan na to kung para mapadali yung paggamit ng technology ng talagang hindi nasisira at nagagawan pa ng paraan para magamot yung isang tao. Like for example, for our digestive, yung isang tao ay nagkaroon ng sakit ng tiyan, paano makikita yon doon? So, bawa, isa-xerox mo or di kaya iano mo, di naman pwede may search doon. So, kailangan papacheck up. May kita yun ng computer, may kita yun na lahat ng gadget kung ano yung nga ba ang sakit ng tao. Kaya merong talagang computers para yung sa mga reseta, sa mga reseta, kung ano yung mga papagamot na, kasi kasama po siya sa part na ano. Kasama na rin yung mga social media that informs many people to easy ways to use in our society.